Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new Metroguide Realty Investor House Tour. Today we are presenting a great find located here in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City. So this will be a quick tour because we are focusing more on the size and dimensions of the property. Because this property currently has two options for any investor. Number one, you can completely renovate or refurbish it. And then the second option is to completely have the house demolished and have a completely brand new house built. So it's up to you, and you can review that as we go through the tour. To give you an idea on the size, this is a 713 square meter lot facing west. And that's also a great feature, and I'll show you why later as we go through the tour. Now let's go. Now this property is also selling very near just lot value already. So it's a great find for investors. Now let's take a look at the driveway. The layout is you have a driveway here. You can use this as parking for up to 3 vehicles. And then it leads towards an elevated main entry. Let's go. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Now, of course, if you choose to completely create a new house, it would have a different layout. But this gives you an idea also on how the layout is if you just like to refurbish or renovate the house. Okay? So you have the main hallway space, and the house is divided into 2 levels. We're gonna go down here first towards the living area. So you have a living space here with lots of natural light. And then it leads out to a backyard space. And this is when you see the real size of the lot. If you position yourself at the corner, you see you have a large garden and swimming pool space. And then on the other side, there's a tiled patio area. So you see there's a lot of space that can be utilized in this home. Let's head on in. Now there's a first room here, but we'll take a look at that later. Let's go through the main amenity spaces first. This is the dining room. Once again with the view of the garden and pool area. And then a swinging door leading towards your main kitchen. So this is stainless steel here. And you already have an island countertop with a range hood and cooktop. And then once again, it leads out to your pool area. And then right here, you have additional pantry space. And of course, you have a spacious service area. It's already completely covered. This is the laundry space. And you have access towards the pool area. So here's another vantage point. And then on top of the driveway, you have parking here for an additional two cars. So one large SUV here and then another vehicle here. And then you have access here towards staff quarters. Let's head on in. Now what I notice about this house is there's so much natural light. None of the lights are on right now. This is all sunlight. Now this is the first room. It has its own ensuite bathroom. You see it's spacious enough for two large beds. And then this is access back to the main hallway. But we'll go through here, through the dining space, back to the living area, and then towards a lower ground level where you have a second room. So you can consider this a den room, and it still has a sliding door here leading to a wall fountain space. It also has an ensuite bathroom. Now let's head on up. So I'm sure as you have noticed, investor tours are very different because we're not really selling or marketing the house. We're selling more the size and the space and the potential of the property. So right now we have the second level here where you have 3 rooms. This is the third room in the house. Natural wood floors overlooking the garden and pool area. And then you have your spacious bathroom. Now let's take a look at the second to the last room, or the fourth room. Once again, overlooking the pool. So these are on the east side of the property. So what's nice is, when I said earlier that the west side of the property is the front of the house, what's nice is, since the 3 rooms here are facing the east, by the time 1 o'clock onwards rolls along, it's already quite cool in these rooms. And 2:30 onwards, the garden already gets quite cool because the sun is already on the other side of the house. So this has an ensuite bathroom as well. And then here we have the 5th room. And then it has its own bathroom as well. Different designs for the bathrooms, but they're all quite spacious. Okay, so let's head on back towards the hallway. And that wraps up our quick investor house tour. Want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us to Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.